Very good morning. Today we are discussing another great name, Malika Srinivasan. So I would read out this great leader, great businesswoman, Malika Srinivasan. Malika Srinivasan is an Indian industrialist who currently acts as the Chief Executive Officer of Tractors and Farm Equipment, TAFE. It is so called, or it is called in this way, TAFE, Tractors and Farm Equipment. She is the recipient of several illustrious awards, including the first Businesswoman of the Year award for India, which she received from BBC. Businesswoman of the Year award, which was given to her by the Economic Times, and the Entrepreneur of the Year in the field of manufacturing from Ernst and Young. She has been given the title of Tractor Queen. Very important to remember this. It is very necessary to remember these title, Tractor Queen, by many members of the media for her success in the tractor industry. The media has also ranked her as one of India's most powerful businesswomen. Born on 19th November 1959 in Chennai, Malika Srinivasan grew up listening to her father discussing business with the family at the dinner table. Now it is very necessary, ये याद रखना बहुत important है. ये चीज़ आई वुड से कि आज की डेट पे मिसिंग है. जनरली वी डोंट डिस्कस विद पेरेंट्स, और चिल्ड्रन जनरली डोंट डिस्कस important थिंग्स विद देयर पेरेंट्स, but I would suggest that we should discuss with parents each and every single thing, so their experience, their knowledge would definitely help you in your career. So यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं हम कि मल्लिका श्रीनिवासन बचपन से ही सुनते आ रहे हैं अपने फादर का, जब वो उनके साथ में डिस्कस करते थे बिजनेस का कोई भी इश्यूज, कोई भी इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. और फादर्स एटीट्यूड टू बिजनेस टॉट श्रीनिवासन अ लॉट. तो वहाँ से उन्होंने सीखा है और आज इस पोजीशन पे पहुँचे हैं. शेपिंग हर इनटू द इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट शी बिकेम. इन स्कूल शी परफॉर्म्ड वेल, शोइंग अ कीन अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ बिजनेस एंड इकोनॉमिक प्रिंसिपल्स. सो प्रिंसिपल्स जो भी है बिजनेस के, इकोनॉमिक के, उसमें अच्छा इंटरेस्ट दिखाया. हर फादर हैड सजेस्टेड दैट शी स्टडी लिटरेचर. अब फादर ने सजेस्ट किया था कि वो लिटरेचर को भी स्टडी करें, बट शी डिसरिगार्डेड हिज एडवाइस. शी परस्यूड एन MA in econometrics from Madras University instead. During that period of time, she also got married to Venu Srinivasan. Chairman of the motorcycle manufacturer TVS Motor Company. However, Malika was not content with an idle life. So उनको लगता था कि she can go and work. She decided to study abroad to further enhance her skills. Malika decided to do her MBA at Wharton School in the University of Pennsylvania. It was a significant decision, बहुत important decision रहा उनके लाइफ में, because this decision changed her life completely. Considering she had an infant daughter to take care of, उनकी छोटी एक बच्ची थी जिसका ख्याल रखना था उस समय. Her mother supported her decision. Now again यहाँ पे हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं कि पेरेंट्स का रोल कितना इम्पॉर्टेंट है. यहाँ पे भी पेरेंट्स ने ही, उनकी मदर ने ही, वन ऑफ हर पेरेंट्स हेल्प्ड हर, सपोर्टेड हर, so that she could do her MBA from America and came back to India and joined family business. यहाँ पे भी हम देखते हैं कि पेरेंट्स का रोल कितना इम्पॉर्टेंट है. So it is very necessary to discuss each and every single thing with your parents. So here we can see she had returned to India and joined the family business in 1986. Specifically, she joined TAFE. That means her father's company. Though her father had encouraged her to join the flagship company, he made it clear that she would have to earn her keep. Now here again she has to do struggles. फैमिली बिजनेस ज्वाइन किया है, लेकिन जो ऑलरेडी फैमिली में बिजनेस में सीनियर एम्प्लॉयज़ है, सीनियर मैनेजर्स है, सीनियर पोस्ट पे जो लोग ऑलरेडी काम कर रहे हैं, उनसे भी आपको सीखना पड़ेगा. इट डजेंट मीन कि आप ओनर की बेटी हैं तो आपको बड़ी पोजीशन मिल जाएंगी. आपको उसके लिए प्रूव करना पड़ेगा दैट यू आर एलिजिबल टू रीच आउट टू बिग पोजीशंस. She learnt lessons from more senior and more experienced colleagues, and she picked up several tricks of the trade. Again, it is very important. आप एजुकेशन करके आए हैं, but there are some employees who are senior to you, who are more experienced. So you have to learn, and there is nothing wrong in learning from seniors, from experienced people. Their experience always help you. She began to put her knowledge to good use, and as the company began to grow, she settled on $1 billion target. Now, eventually, she had a target of $1 billion. In 1960, when TAFE was founded, the company's quota was 7,000 tractors a year. In 2012, the company was capable of making that same amount in 15 days. The company's turnover when she joined in 1985 was rupees 86 crores. By 2010, the turnover had risen to rupees 5,800 crores, and Malika was responsible for a major percentage of that amount. And eventually she made several critical decisions. One of them was the acquisition of Eicher Motors in 2005. So it was all about Malika Srinivasan, her struggle, her education, her participation in making this company a great success. In 2012, she won a leadership award for designing and developing farm equipment relevant to Indian farmers, and for taking TAFE all the way to the top and taking the company to the top. Now again, we have to see that every responsibility comes up with some responsibilities from personal life also. When you are professionally settled and you have responsibility professionally, but you have to look after your family also. You have some responsibility towards your family also, and there are some struggles, troubles, problems you come across. हर किसी की लाइफ में ये होता है कि आपके स्ट्रगल्स होंगे, आपके प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगे, ट्रबल्स आएंगे लाइफ में, एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट यू हैव टू कीप अप टू योर कमिटमेंट. जैसे कि हम यहाँ देख सकते हैं कि इन 2000 her father passed away, who was a great source of inspiration for Malika. Months after her father's death, her sister passed away. So she lost two important members of her family. In 2008, her mother passed away. So she was totally broken. So we have to see that instead of that, she managed the company during that period, was a source of inspiration for many of her employees. सो टू प्रूव दैट, आपके एम्प्लॉयज़ के सामने एक एग्जाम्पल लीड करने के लिए, एग्जाम्पल रखने के लिए, यू हैव टू फाइट द सिचुएशंस. सो आई होप वी लर्न मेनी गुड थिंग्स फ्रॉम द चैप्टर, फ्रॉम द लेसन. थैंक यू वेरी मच.